Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this is just my personal experience with the service. Today, we're taking a look at Truist, specifically their website at www.truist.com. Navigating a bank's website can be crucial for managing your finances effectively, and understanding what Truist offers online is no exception. Visiting truist.com allows you to explore their various services, from personal banking options like checking and savings accounts to more complex financial tools. You can also delve into their investment offerings and wealth management resources, all readily accessible from the homepage. Furthermore, the site provides information about Truist's business banking solutions, lending services, and other financial products they offer. Truist.com also serves as a portal for accessing your accounts online. You can log in to check your balances, transfer funds between accounts, pay bills, and even manage your investments, all within a secure online environment. The website also likely offers resources and tools to help you learn more about financial planning and managing your money effectively. Often, banks like Truist provide educational materials, articles, and calculators on their websites to empower their customers to make informed financial decisions. Remember, when exploring any financial institution's online presence, it's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with their security measures and customer service options available through the site. This ensures you can access support and have your questions answered promptly and effectively. Exploring Truist's digital offerings via their website can be a significant step towards simplifying your banking and financial management. So, take some time to navigate the website and discover all the features and resources available to you. You might be surprised at how much you can accomplish online with Truist.